Hello, baby. Let's sing together. Do your ears hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Can you throw them on your shoulder like a continental soldier? Do your ears hang low? Do your ears flip-flop? Can you use them as a mop? Are they stringy at the bottom? Are they curly at the top? Can you use them for a swasher? Can you use them for a blotter? Do your ears flip-flop? Do your ears stick out? Can you waggle them about? Can you flap them up and down as you fly around the town? Can you shut them up for sure when you hear an awful bore? Do your ears stick out? That was fun! I love singing with you. Hello, baby. Peekaboo is most fun with you. Where'd you go? Peekaboo, I found you.